Hello, my name is Viennese, and today we're going to be talking about my favorite top 7 brown lip liners. Let's get into the video. I'm so excited to talk about this subject because it is one of my favorite parts of makeup. That is lip combos. I'm one of the girls that will put 5 things on my lips just to make the lip combo that I want. But today we're not going to get into all that. We're just going to be talking about my top favorite lip liners, brown lip liners at that. Because I know at times being a woman of color, it might be hard to find a brown lip liner. What I don't like the most is when I go to a store, I think that a lip liner is going to work. When I get home, I put it on and it's the exact same color as my lips. I don't want that. So I hope this video will help you. Maybe you're having the same issue, or maybe you just want to try out a new lip liner that is so beautiful in my opinion. These are some of my favorites that I have in my collection, so I'm so excited to share them with you today. So in my collection, I have a combination of drugstore and high-end. So let's start with the drugstore. All right, you guys, my absolute favorite right now from the drugstore is by NYX, and it is the color Hot Chocolate. This is one of the prettiest pencils that I have. Such a beautiful brown. Let me swatch it for you. It just has a smooth glide and it has not disappointed me. You can actually use this with any color and it's going to take it up a notch. All right, and the next lip pencil I want to show you, also by NYX, is the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the color SMLL23. I'm going to swatch it for you right here on my hand. Now, looking at this color next to the previous one, it has more of a red, purpley tone to it. Now, I don't want to say it's maroon because it is a brown, but it's leaning towards. So if there was a brown and there's a maroon, this would be right in the middle. This one right here, do you see how it has a little bit of a red tone, purplish? But I would still say it's majority brown. But if you want a deeper brown, I would definitely go with the previous one, Hot Cocoa. That's my absolute favorite. That is 100% brown. This is if you want to be kind of in the middle of brown, maroon, you know, reddish, that family. All right, and the next color we're going to talk about is also by NYX, but this is just another form of liner that they have. You know how they have different kinds that you can choose from? This one has a tip that is waxy. So you can sharpen it, but it doesn't look exactly like a pencil. It has that wax around it. I used to be so confused on how to sharpen these, but if you ever get a pencil that looks like this, you can sharpen them. All right, let me go ahead and swatch that for you all. This one is also an easy glide. All of these that I'm showing you today are easy to glide, smooth on the lips. I do not like the ones that are too drying where when you try to put it on, it's hard. You have to keep going over it. Our lips are sensitive. I feel like anything that we put on our lips needs to be smooth and easy to glide on. I'm telling you all, you will not be disappointed with any of these lip liners. They're going to take any of the colors that you choose to use to another level. You might not know this, but a lip liner is so needed, especially for women of color, for certain lip combos. You don't have to, like with makeup, you don't have to do anything you don't want to. But I believe that whenever I use a brown lip liner, and it doesn't matter what color lipstick I'm using, it just makes it perfect. Wearing a lip liner with any of your lipstick just makes it look so much more neater, more cohesive, and it just brings a beautiful color to your lip combo. So even, for example, if you have a lipstick that's too light, don't worry about it. All you need is a good lip liner. I truly believe that I can make any lipstick work as long as I have a pretty brown lip liner. And I think you can too. All right, that is all I have from the NYX collection, but we're going to move into another brand called Italiana. And I found this on Amazon. They sell a kit that has a wide range of lip liners. They have burnt oranges, reds, different color browns, just a beautiful assortment of colors that you can choose from. And out of that kit, one of my favorites was this one right here called Chocolate. I was so surprised at how pigmented these lip liners were. Like I said in the beginning, I have had issues with buying lip liners and they don't show up because you can have darker lips. One lip might be darker on the top, one might be dark on the bottom. You might just have darker lips in general. We all have different shades of lips, so every lip liner is not going to work for every individual. But this lip liner was so good. Let me swatch it for you. Oh, it's beautiful. Like, this is the creamiest one, even over the NYX ones. When I just swatched that, it was like I was ice skating, like no exaggeration. This is the color right here. Now, as you can see here, all of these browns are different colors, so you're gonna have to pick which one suits you the best, but I just want to give you a variety of different color browns so you can just see what you want to use. Now, as you can see here, this is such a beautiful brown. And like I said, it glides on so beautiful and it's going to mix perfectly with any of your lip glosses or lipsticks. All right, and the next lip pencil I want to show you is by JUVIA'S. Now, this isn't in every drugstore, but I do feel like I could categorize it as a drugstore option because of the price. They are not expensive at all, and they have a wide range of colors that you can choose from. I chose the color Cola. They were having a sale online one day and I saw this and I was like, yes. I ordered it and I'm going to swatch it for you so you can see. This pencil does have a twist top, which I love. I love when pencils have the twist up because I just think they last longer. This is the color right here, and this is the deepest brown liner that I'm going to be showing you today. It is a true dark brown, so if you like that dark brown lip liner look, you'll definitely want to try this one out. Also, this one glides very beautifully, and like I said, I think you're going to get a lot of longevity out of this pencil because of the way it's made. But yes, this is definitely one of the deeper browns. All right, and those are all the drugstore pencil options that I have in my collection, but I do have two of my favorite lip liners and they are high end. Let me get into the first one. This one right here is by Makeup Forever. It is the shade Limitless Brown. You've probably heard a lot about this because this has went viral over the past year and it's for a reason. If you're wanting to make an investment into a lip liner that is worth every penny, try this one. This is the color right here. Now we have to pause and talk about this one because this one is in high rotation in my makeup bag. I use this so much. I'm going to show you my other favorite one. If you know me and you've been following this channel for a while, you already know what it's going to be. I saved the best for last, but this one comes up pretty close. This gives me a soft brown lip. And I love that. So it depends on my day. I change my lip combos depending on how I feel for that day. I might not want a real dramatic lip. I might want a soft lip. You can just be so creative with your lip combos, and that's what makes makeup fun. But this Limitless Brown is so good. It also has a dual purpose. You can use it for eyeliner and lip liner. I did not know that when I purchased it, but I found out it is a multi-use matte pencil. So if you also like a brown eyeliner, I highly suggest this one. I've been moving into brown under my eyes instead of black because it gives you a softer appearance, less harsh. So I really suggest you trying this Limitless Brown pencil out. It's beautiful. You will not be disappointed. All right, you guys, the time has come to introduce to you my favorite and most beloved lip liner pencil. I'm being dramatic, but I'm really so serious. This is my favorite lip liner of all time. I've been hearing the hype about it for years. But I honestly didn't know if I wanted to purchase the pencil because I was not used to buying high-end pencils. There's nothing wrong with buying drugstore, but that is just what I was used to. So when I found out that this one was going to be a little bit more money, probably 3 times the price of a regular drugstore pencil, I was like, but when I finally did, my whole life has changed. Okay, that's dramatic. My whole life, but my makeup game has definitely improved. All right, you all, and it is the MAC-CHESTNUT lip liner. I love this pencil, as you can see by the description and the introduction that I gave it. It is so beautiful. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you. And wow, you know what? I'm really surprised because I've never swatched all of these side by side how dark it is, but wow. I really thought that I had already put the darkest color on my hand, but MAC-CHESTNUT might be it. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. I hope they never discontinue this one. I would be so sad. And here it is. This is the color. It is so beautiful. Do you all see how that's kind of the darkest one? It is gorgeous. And a lot of times makeup products can be hyped up and then when you get them, you're disappointed. I'm here to tell you that if you choose any of these lip liners that I showed you today, you will not be disappointed because that's what I would want. I would love for someone to show me lip liners that would actually work. We don't have time to waste money. I don't think anybody wants to do that. And it's already challenging enough when you're in the store and you can't really swatch it, especially in a drugstore. I know you can if you go to like a Sephora or an Ulta, but if you're in a drugstore, you can't swatch the liners. So I hope this has really helped you pick what color you are going to be choosing for your next brown lip liner. Let me know down in the comments. Also, if there is another brown lip liner out there that I did not mention, but you want me to try, please leave it in the comments because as you all can see, I love lip combos, lipstick, lip gloss. Oh, and if you're curious about what lip liner I chose today, I did choose to use the Limitless Brown. This is what the Limitless Brown lip liner will give you if you choose this one. Do you see how it's a soft brown? It's just so gorgeous and it's perfect for every day. So thank you all so much for being here with me today, tonight, whatever time you chose to watch the video. I love speaking with you all. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. Our community is growing and it's just so much fun. I'm so excited to see what God is doing. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with a friend. I love you. Jesus loves you. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye.